How to change bass on Apple Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the bass on Apple Music using your iPhone. Whether you're listening with AirPods, Beats, or regular headphones, this quick setting will make your music sound deeper and richer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, go to your Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Music. This is where you'll find audio-related settings that affect Apple Music playback. Step 2. Choose the E key. Now, tap on E key, which stands for Equalizer. Here, you will see a list of audio presets designed for different sound profiles. Step 3. Select Bass Booster. Scroll to the list and select Bass Booster. This preset enhances the low frequencies, giving your music that extra thump and warmth. Once selected, you can exit settings. It's automatically saved. Step 4. Play and enjoy. Now, open Apple Music and play any song you like. You should immediately notice a difference in the bass, especially with quality headphones or speakers. Optional. Custom A key on Mac. If you're on a Mac, you can use a custom A key in the Music app by going to Window, Equalizer, and tweaking the sliders manually. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to change your bass in Apple Music. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.